Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I will show you how to install Jio TV app in your Android TV and watch all live TV channels of all languages which are available in Jio TV app without any issues. After following this method, you don't need to have a D2H connection. That is DTH connection in your home. Okay, you just need an internet connection with an Android TV. That's it here. And the requirements for this is a Jio account. That is, if you have a My Jio app, you can create an account there. That means you should have a Jio SIM, or you can borrow from your friends also, no problem. Just ask their username and password of the Jio app. If they are logging into Jio app using just OTP, ask them to create an username and password, or do it by yourself. Okay, just to open My Jio app and log out from there, and then click on sign up, then create your username and password and note down for the later use in this video. Okay, next thing is open your Android, that is switch on your Android TV. You can see this Android TV on my screen. Okay, inside that you have to go to Play Store. Make sure your Android TV has connected to internet connection. Okay, then search for KODI. Okay, search for KODI. Okay, search for KODI. You will get an app like this, KODI, and click on install. Okay, after installation you just click on OK, that is click on open button. So here it will ask for permission to access your photos and media files. For that you have to click on continue, then you have to allow it, and it will take a few moments for the first run. You have to wait. And I want to remind you that this method is completely safe. Okay, it will not damage your TV or nothing will happen. Okay, if your TV is a low end, that is a less RAM or something like that, you may see little lag on operating this app. That's it. Okay, this is a splash screen of our app, that is Kodi app. Now after first run you will see like this. This is a home screen, that is home screen of the Kodi app. Next what you have to do is go to settings on the top, then what you have to do is in the settings select the file manager, then go to add source button, then here in the none just select the none here and select that one, then add this URL whichever I am typing now, and I also provided the same URL in description of this video. You can copy from there, https://kodi.botallen.com. Okay, after entering the URL you just click on OK, then enter name of this media as Bot Allen. then click on OK, then again click on OK. Okay, after that you just go back to the home screen of the app and select add-ons here. Then go to install from repository, install from zip file. So when you are using this app for first time, for security installation of add-ons from unknown sources is disabled. It will show a message like this. You just go to settings and you enable that one. Okay, then again yes. Now go back, then again select install from zip file, then select yes. Okay, here you can see the bot Allen, that whichever we saved just before a few moments. Then select that one. Okay, select this repository bot Allen. The version number may change depending on the time you following this video. Okay, at present the latest version is a 2.00.zip. Okay, select that one and wait for a moment. Okay, after that you will see like notification bot Allen repository add-on installed. So we got a message on the top. Okay, then go to install from repository. Here we will see the bot Allen repository here. Click on this. Here select video add-ons. Here you will see two things, Disney Plus, Hotstar and JioTV. Select the JioTV. And here at the bottom you can see install button is there. This one. Select that one and click on OK. You have to wait a few moments for the installing process to be completed. Actually this installation process will take some time. You have to wait patiently. And you can see a message has appeared there at the top right corner, JioTV app installed. Okay, now what I have to do is just go back to home screen of the app. There you can see the JioTV app is there. Okay, so for that you can, at the main screen you have to go to add-ons. If you have missed something, you have to go to this add-ons option. There you can see the JioTV app. Select that one. So you can access the channels, live TV channels, in three ways. That is featured, genres and languages. In featured, it will have multiple, that is kids, devotional, Hindi, yoga, like that. Okay. Okay. Next, in genres, you can see like this: news, music, sports, like that. So these are the news channels that are available in news category. I mean in news genre. Otherwise, you can select from languages. Here, Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil. So all which are the languages available in JioTV app, they are provided here. So I will select Telugu here, and I will select any one channel. Okay, for suppose TV9 Telugu News. I will open it. Here it will ask to log in. What I have to do is, don't select the web option, select the keyboard. Okay, at the beginning of this video I have told you that you have to have an username and password of MyJio app. So here what we have to do is we have to enter username first. Okay, I am hiding this username and password because you have to get your own. Then select OK. Okay, select OK. Then after selecting OK, you have to enter your password. Then select OK. So you can see a message login success is there. Now I will select this channel. It should work now. So you can see live channel is working now. Now I will go back and select another channel, G Telugu. In this channel you can see the channel is video ratio is not 16:9. Okay, so the left and right has some blackouts. So I want to stretch the video as per your LED TV. The best ratio is 16:9. So how to do is this: select the OK button on your remote, then go to this last settings button and go to video settings, then view mode. Okay, in the side view mode select stretch 16:9. okay, after doing this what you have to do is go to bottom and set a default for all media. So this option, this setting will be changed to all channels, so no need to every time if you open this app the channel will come in odd ratio. So again you have to change to 16:9 ratio. Instead of that, if you set as default for all media, it will be applicable to all channels in JioTV app. Okay, after that go back, then if you select the left button on your remote, you will get these options, that is settings of the JioTV app. That is, here go to add-on settings and go to advanced. Okay, here in advanced, here you can see a disable welcome pop-up. So every time you open this app there will be a one pop-up message showing, that is asking you to donate some money for this add-on. If you wish to support the developer, you can donate the money. But if you don't want to see the message every time you open the app, you can just enable this option so that that message will not be appear. Okay, then after that click on OK. That's it. Okay, one more thing is, if you don't want this list, here you can see the channels we are getting as a list view. Instead of, you can get an icons of the channels, view type. Okay, you can see this is a wall, this is a shift. Okay, you can use this type, or you can get the list of the channels. Okay, next thing is one important shortcut for using this TV channels is you can add these two favorites. That is, if you want to add like Discovery Channel to your favorites, just hold the OK button on your remote control, then select add to favorites. Okay, like this you can add multiple channels like this. Okay, so now I will show you to easily access these your favorite channels. When you open your Kodi app, in the left menu you will see some options like this. like this: TV, radio, games, add-ons, pictures. In this you can also see one option, that is favorites. Here we will get our favorite TV channels, whichever we have added to the favorites. So by this you no need to again navigate to add-on, then go to JioTV app, select languages, then select your channel. So instead of all these steps, you just add them, the whatever the channels you frequently watch, to the favorites, and you can easily access those from here. Okay, you can see the channel opens directly here. Okay, guys, I think you enjoyed this video and you now know how to set up a JioTV app in your Android TV and watch all the live channels for free of cost without need to have the D2H connection. So this will save some money on your wallet. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and this is Karthik signing off.